Forewarned weather with Emily Sutton.
Good morning, Oklahoma. We are tracking a developing winter storm right overhead. For now, everything's light, which is good. It's just starting to get going. And so if you're heading out on the roads for the next hour or so, I think you're going to be okay. But as the day progresses and things start to pick up, especially starting mid-morning, I think road conditions will really go downhill. And the main reason, as we have Arctic air plunging in, and that's going to help freeze anything on the roads. And also things are going to be blowing around because of those winds and big time wind chill factors. So let's go ahead and take a look at the very latest. Our trackers are out to keep you forewarned, and depends on where you are across the state. Northern Oklahoma, we've already had some bands of freezing rain as well as light snow. In central Oklahoma, we're getting more reports of freezing drizzle starting to pick up. Let's take a look at the latest timeline for Oklahoma City. I think we'll see it slowly picking up as freezing drizzle and then really picking up by mid-morning. Around 9 a.m. is when we'll see maybe it switching over to a heavier sleet or snow. It exits at around 8 or 9 p.m. and we could have indications of maybe a slightly heavier band of snow sometime mid to late afternoon. So light ice initially, switching over to sleet and then snow. There's still snow gradient expected. By that I mean southwest sides of town could see ½ an inch to an inch. Northeast sides of town could see closer to 3 inches or maybe even locally 4 inches. So here's our winter weather alerts. Big winter weather advisory across the state. The upgrade to that is a winter storm warning for north central and northeastern Oklahoma. In addition to that, we're tracking the extreme cold. So start dripping your faucets now, and you're going to have to let that go until about midday on Friday. It's 23 right now. Winds out of the northeast at 23 miles per hour, gust of 40. Yeah, that's causing us a nasty wind chill factor. So you can see over the past hour how the coverage is increasing across northern and eastern Oklahoma, but so far the intensity is very low. So we're just seeing a little bit of light snow here in far northwestern Oklahoma from Beaver to Gate to Fort Supply and Woodward. Had some snowflakes over Enid earlier, little indication of that perhaps north of Garber, and then farther south and east we're tracking here near Stillwater a little bit of perhaps flurries or a little bit of freezing mist and drizzle. This is freezing drizzle from Okemah to Wetumpka down through Holdenville and sandwiched in between that very fine mist. Let's go out to Eric Dixon for the latest. He's been tracking it. And Eric, what can you tell us?
Hey, Emily. Guthrie, Oklahoma is where I'm at right now. We had a little bit of light freezing drizzle. It didn't do anything to the roads. We're all dry right now, but it was starting to collect on windshields. I talked to a customer at a gas station in Guthrie that came in from Perry, and she had ice all over her windshield just from some freezing drizzle. So, conditions are starting to go downhill north central Oklahoma right now, but we're going to keep you forewarned about it as these conditions continue to deteriorate out here. Back to you, Emily.
All right, thanks for that report. Let's go ahead and go back to the maps. We're still tracking some of the freezing drizzle near Ada and Ruff, and then it switches over to light rain in southeastern Oklahoma. I had some reports of some flurries near Altus earlier as well, so we're just starting to squeeze a little bit of moisture out, but that's going to pick up throughout the day. It's not just us. Look at all the people impacted by winter storm warnings in the pink. This blue, that represents that new extreme cold warning, and you can see why. Past 30 below zero for actual temps in North Dakota. Now, we're not going to get that cold, but our wind chills could get close to that, which is incredible for us here in Oklahoma. Down to 14 for Watonga, 19 for Guthrie, 25 for Norman, and falling throughout the day today. And you can see that now for Guymon, 4, 9 for Woodward, 10 for Alva, 18 for Enid. Winds out of the northeast at 25 to 30 miles per hour, and we're seeing gusts over 40 miles per hour. So, wow, sustained winds at 30 right now. That's giving us a wind chill of 5 below for Watonga, 7 for OKC, 4 for Guthrie. It feels like 10 below for Alva, Woodward, and 16 below for Guymon. That's why it's very serious. If you have to venture out today, make sure you have all the proper gear in your car, something warm in case something happens, because you can't be caught outside in this kind of cold. Future Track showing the latest timing, so things are going to pick up in the next couple of hours across the state. The coverage picks up, the intensity starts to pick up, and I think for OKC it'll mainly be sleet and snow, eventually switching over to snow. So you travel north, mainly snow, and then traveling south, it switches over to ice, unfortunately, south of I-44. By noon, that continues. Northern half of the state, a heavier snow band develops by late morning in north central and northeastern Oklahoma, and that'll gradually travel south. But But this is where we're still expecting the highest totals. Northeast, snow continues through the afternoon hours. That freezing line moves farther south and east, so the ice and sleet slides farther into southeastern Oklahoma. By this evening, it tapers at around 9 or 10 p.m., and then we'll see it moving out. Tomorrow, dry in the morning but cloudy, and then some clearing late in the day with gradually decreasing winds, but it'll take a while. Here's our extreme cold warning. You can see why. Wind chills today by noon already to 12 below in northern Oklahoma, 0 for OKC with gusts over 30. And by this afternoon, still gusts over 30 miles per hour. A wind chill of 7 below for OKC to 15 below to the north. And by tomorrow morning, this is underestimating it, wind chills to 25 below in northern Oklahoma, 12 below for OKC. So dangerous cold. We don't see cold like this that often here in Oklahoma. It's every couple of years or so, this kind of extreme cold. And then by the afternoon, wind chills staying near 0. So kids wanting to play in the snow, make sure you keep it short. Now, ice totals are a little bit higher south of I-44. We could see about 1/10 of an inch of ice, maybe even closer to 2/10 in some localized areas. That's going to cause issues on the roads. Some localized power outages are possible because the winds are up, but I don't see a lot of that happening. Snowfall forecast still bullseye to the northeast. It has pushed a little bit farther south. As we zoom in to the metro, you can see here that it will be closer to about 1 inch. It's gone up a little bit for Chickasha. Well, as you travel north and east, closer to about 4 inches for Cushing through Chandler. Stillwater's right on the edge where it could be a little bit higher. So I would say right on the edge of 3 to 6 inches, but as you travel northeast, 6 to 10 inches. OKC, again, that 1 to 4 inch range. Most of us about 1 to 3 inches. Here's our full 1 forecast for today. Blowing snow, falling temps, wind chills, exceptionally cold to 15 below 0. That is a huge deal. That's going to be impacting everyone through the first half of Friday. So please be careful. A low of 2 tomorrow morning, 11 tomorrow afternoon, only 0 for Thursday morning. And then we finally will climb above freezing on Saturday. It takes all the way until Saturday. But after that, wow, a whole different season in the 60s. Isn't that incredible?
Yeah.
That looks better.
Mm-hmm. Well, we have to get through this week, that's for sure, and today. So.
Oh, boy, golly. It's going to be a long day.
Yeah, our tracker is going to be out all day long as conditions worsen.
Okay, be ready for that. Thank you.
Emily, thanks.